G'day and welcome back to Seaworld. Today, let's head on inside and see what's going on. You can see a little bit of work going from here on the Trident, so good to see work still getting done. I will see if I can get a little bit closer over there as well and see if I can see anything more. So the new Atlantis precinct opens in well, it's open now, has the vortex running, and the Trident and Leviathan should be opening in September. So I know the date's been moved a couple of times, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll open September sometime. So this is what it'll look like, hopefully, once it's done. Vortex, the Trident, and then Leviathan. At least we've got vertical construction now, so that's good. I don't think I'd go on the vortex. I should probably go on there one day to at least ride it once, but we'll see. Been a lot more progress on the Trident since my last visit here, so it's looking good to see it vertical, so finally.